right now.
China right there.
Yeah, no, China right there. And the Earth turned like this.
Yep.
And pretend this is the moon, and pretend this is the sun.
Okay, there's the sun.
Well,
So
now China's facing the sun now, and you're facing the moon.
that's right.
Now the Earth turned, and now you're facing the sun. And now China's facing the moon over there.
Say Merry Christmas, Nana and Grandpa and everyone. And this camera, honey.
Look, Christian.
Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Show them the cool globe you got. And look at all the presents Santa brought you.
Santa brought me a lot of presents.
Wow.
And some are behind.
And we left them milk and cookies.